Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hi, I am Dr. Ruknuzzaman from Mirpur, Dhaka. Hello viewers, how are you? Everybody, I think you all are well, very well and secure at your home. A small message for all of you. Always remember, this is the dangerous period we go live. Please be careful from COVID-19 virus. Wash your hand by soap daily 5 to 6 times. Use face masks. Take COVID-19 vaccine. Stay home. Be safe. Today my discussing topic sesame seed. I would like to discuss sesame seed. Please stay some time with me and request you everybody please like, share, comments, subscribe and turn on the bell icon for future newly updated video you can see first. Let's introduce sesame seed. Look, this is sesame seed. Hi viewers, look, this is called sesame seed. Its scientific name Sesamum indicum. Sesame tree grow in almost all parts of world, including Asia, America, China, Japan and Mexico. Annual around 6 feet long. Fruits ponds national. The leaves are oblong. Sesame has been used since 3000 BC. Sesame oil is very valuable. This is probably the first oil used, even before olive oil. The Chinese have been used sesame thousands of years. Sesame contain enough calcium. An ounce of sesame seed contain 280 grams of calcium. Sesame contain an ingredient called sesame which help in longevity. Sesame lower blood pressure and lower harmful LDL cholesterol and total cholesterol. Sesame protein reduce the risk of heart diseases. Sesame seed is the most popular ingredient all the world. Sesame seed in additional to calcium, it contains magnesium, copper, zinc, iron, thiamine and vitamin E, vitamin B6. In addition to sesame phytosterols and lignans reduce the risk of cancer. Sesame seeds are second only to linseed in reducing the risk of breast cancer, especially in women. Sesame has a lot of mineral but no cholesterol. Sesame contains high quality protein or amino acid such as methionine and tryptophan which are not found in any plant protein. This type of protein has an effective role in keeping the liver, kidney healthy and absorbing vitamin B complex. 15th and nutrition benefit in sesame seed. Number 1. May aid blood sugar control. Sesame seeds are long in carbs while high protein and healthy fats. all of which may support blood sugar control. 340. Additionally, those seeds contain pionenol, a compound that may help regular blood sugar by inhibiting the action of digestive enzyme maltose. Maltose break down the sugar maltose, which is used as a sweetener for some food product. It also product in our gut from the digestion of stray foods like bread and pasta. If pinosinol inhibits our digestion of maltose, this may result in lower blood sugar level. However, human studies are needed. Sesame seed may aid blood sugar control. Second, help lower blood pressure. Sesame seeds are high in magnesium, which may help lower blood pressure. Additionally, their antioxidant may help prevent plaque buildup, may aid blood cell formation. Sesame seeds supply iron, copper, vitamin B6, which are needed for blood cell forming and function. May lower cholesterol. Sesame seed may help reduce heart disease risk function, including elevates bad LDL cholesterol level. Fifth, support healthy bones. Sesame seed need especially rich in nutrients vital to bone health, including calcium, soaking, masting, or supporting. Sesame seed can improve absorption of the minerals. Sesame seed contain calcium 22%, magnesium 25%, manganese 32%, zinc 21%. 6. Good source of fiber. Since the average fiber intake the United States is only half of the RDI, eating sesame seed regularly could help increase their fiber intake. 30 gram serving of sesame seed supply 12% of RDI for fiber, which is vital for our digestive health. 7th, nutrition source of plant protein. Its particularly halt-ons are a good source of protein, which is necessary building block for our body. 8th, reduce inflammation. When people suffering with kidney disease and body others inflammation disease, then sesame seed taken 6 gram and with a mixture of 18 grams of flax seed taken 2 teaspoons only 2 times for 3 months. Their inflammatory makes dropped 51 to 79% relief. However, because this is study tested the mixture of seeds, the anti-inflammatory impact of sesame seed along uncertain. Still, animal study of sesame seed oil also suggest anti-inflammatory effects. This may be due caesium, a compound found in sesame seed and their oil. 9th, good source of vitamin B. Sesame seeds are a good source of creatine vitamin B, which are distributed both in whole and seed. Vitamin base essential for many bodily processes, including proper cell function and metabolism. Sesame seeds are a good source of thiamine, niacin, and vitamin B6, which are necessary for proper cellular function in metabolism. 10th, rich and antioxidant. Animal and human studies suggest that consuming sesame seed may increase the overall amount of antioxidant activity in our blood. The lignans in sesame seed function as antioxidant which help fight oxidative stress, a calcium. The lignans in sesame seed function as antioxidant which help fight oxidative stress, a chemical reaction that may dangerous our cell and increases our risk of chronic diseases. Additionally, sesame seed contain a form of vitamin E called gamma tocophenol, an antioxidant that may be especially protective against heart diseases. Plant compounds and vitamin E in sesame seed function as antioxidant which combat oxidative stress in our body. 11th, it supply our immunity system. Sesame needs supply about 20% of the RDI for zinc in a 30-gram serving. Sesame seeds are a good source of several nutrition that are important of immunity system function, including zinc, selenium, copper, iron, vitamin B6 and vitamin E. May smooth arthritis, knee pain. Arthritis is most common case of joint pain of frequency affect that knee. Several factors may play a role of arthritis, including inflammation and oxidant damage to the cartilage that caution joint. Sesamean, a compound is sesame seed, has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effect that may protect our cartilage. We can study 2 months people with knee arthritis are 40 grams of sesame seed powder daily alongside drug therapy may supply thyroid health. Sesame seeds are a good source of selenium, supplying 18% of RDI. Our thyroid gland contains the highest concentration of sesame of organ in our body. This mineral play a vital role in making thyroid hormone. In addition, sesame seeds are a good source of iron, copper, zinc and vitamin B6, which also support the production of thyroid hormones and aid thyroid health. May aid hormone balance during menopause. Sesame seed contain phytoestrogen, plant compounds that are similar to hormone estrogen. Therefore, sesame seed might be beneficial to women when estrogen level drop during menopause. 15th, easy to add our diet. Sesame seed can give a nutty flavor of salad, crunch and may dish including salad, granola, baked good and street fried thinny and sesame flour are other products made our sesame seed. Thanking you everybody. See you with another video. Allah Hafiz.